Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Can you believe Easter is approaching already? Here I will be creating some lovely and fun Easter gifts. Part 1. So first we're starting off with these beautiful baskets. Now they're not your average Easter basket. These are actually plastic bags. Here I have some Easter tissue. So we're going to mix it up a little bit. Generally Easter baskets have decorative shredding in them. So we're going to put tissue paper in them with a little bit of decorative shredding just to give it that extra cushion. So here is the design for bag number 1, and we're going to start out by putting some of this turquoise shredding again just to give it a little bit of extra padding. Now that the shredding is at the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and insert 2 of the Easter tissue papers. So our basket is ready. Let's go ahead and insert the goodies. Now this basket will include a few toys, starting out with the dart popper. It looks super fun. So we're going to add that to the basket. Then we're going to add one more toy, which is a paddle ball. That looks super fun as well. Now let's start adding the real good stuff, right? Starting out, we have some popcorn balls, we have cheese balls, as well as this troll sour candy. And of course, don't forget the chocolate. Now we have these adhesive circle tabs that are going to close the basket for us. So we're going to go ahead and take them out and attach them to the handles. I really love the fact that these Velcro tabs will allow you to open and close this bag as many times as you want. So here is me putting on side 1, and then we're going to grab the second roll and put it on the second handle. Don't you love the freedom of being able to open and close something like this? We're all done and it is beautiful. Open, close 100 times over, and we all know the kids will be going in and out of the baskets. So this is perfect. Here is the second design or style of bag. We're going to fill it with some yellow shredding, followed by 2 of these tissues, and we're going to quickly do this one so we can move on to part 2. So let's go ahead and finish it up. So I did choose the jump rope for this bag, and then of course we're going to add the second toy, which is the pinball, and then let's quickly throw in the treats. I'm going to insert our Velcro tabs on each side and quickly close that up. All done. So pretty. There is one thing that I did forget to put in each basket, so let's go ahead and quickly open the baskets again. Again, this is the freedom of having the Velcro tabs. So I'm going to insert these beautiful stickers quickly into both baskets, and then we can jump into part 2. Alright guys, so let's jump right in. You see these beautiful little boxes? So they are mini Easter boxes. Now first we're going to start by making some Easter eggs that have toys in them. And we're going to fill the bottom halves with the pink, the green, and the blue as you see here with some toys. The top halves will include the bracelet poppers. So let's jump right in and get it done. Some of these toys are the cutest. Look at that bunny ring. They're going to love that. And then here are some round stickers that we're going to throw in some of them. Now the toys are mixed. Each egg will have different things. Now here we have some really cool poppers. And you know poppers are really popular right now with the kids. And this is actually a bracelet popper. So I'm going to roll this up and put it in the top of the egg, which is clear. So it's going to look really pretty. Okay, we have our eggs. How gorgeous are these? Moving right along. So we're going to create some carrot-like candy treat bags. Here are the triangle bags, and you can see we have orange ties and green ties. We're gonna mix it up. Some will have the green, some will have the orange. And here are the yummy chocolates that are gonna go in each bag. Let's go ahead and get it done. And I really like these green ties because they're metallic, so they really stand out and they are really pretty. Okay, so we got some with our green ties and some with the orange ties. How cute. Let's go ahead and start the next process. Here we will have our beautiful bunny little baskets. And then we have some bunny ears. Now I'm going to attach these bunny ears to each of these baskets. Now here is the double-sided tape I will be using to attach the bunny ears to the basket. I do like to leave the tags on some of the items. It showcases what fabric it may be made out of in case anyone is allergic and the age limit. So that's what I really like about the tags. Also, we're going to be using the tag to place it. So here is where I would like to tape it in the back. So we're going to go ahead and take our double-sided adhesive tape on the tag and stick it to the back. Now we don't want anything like glue because that's too permanent. We still want the child to be able to take this off and enjoy the bunny ears. So I'm going to do this for the remainder of the baskets. Now keep in mind we want to leave the handle in the front of the basket when we're attaching the bunny ears because then we won't be able to hold the basket up. So I'm going to quickly do this for the other two baskets and then we're going to get to the fun part, which is filling it. So we're all done. Now I do like to leave a little bit of a surprise to the gifts that I create. So we're going to add some shredding at the bottom and hide some items under the shredding before we put our last gift on top. Now first up we have these beautiful fluorescent Slinkies. I remember Slinkies back in the day. They were not this cool, but either way still fun. These are shaped in stars and again they are beautiful, bright green, pink, and orange. Now we're going to add the chocolates that we made earlier in our triangular carrot type bags. Now I'm going to quickly add some lollipops to each of them. Now that we have our goodies at the bottom, let's go ahead and add our pretty shredding paper on the top. Now what I found to be a bit easier when adding the shredding paper to these tiny baskets is if you wrap it around, it will stay in a more tight position and it won't jump out of the basket. And you can also just snip the ends of the ones that's sticking out and then just throw them in the middle of the basket. So we've added the bunny ears, we've put our surprise items at the bottom, we've added our decorative shredding, and now we're gonna put the last item, which are the beautiful eggs we made in the beginning. The kids will love these baskets and they're small and cute, so you can have them in the classroom or for your family on Easter Day.